Hey guys, let's talk about how to create a beautiful face framing wave using a 25mm curling iron. There are actually two main ways to hold your curling iron when you want the curls to go away from your face. The first way, the free end of the iron points upward. That means you hold the iron a bit lower and behind the strand, wrapping it away from your face. This method gives you a more defined, intense curl than the classic one. Just a quick reminder, my curling iron is 25mm in diameter and right now I'm working at 210 degrees Celsius because my mannequin has thick, heavy, long hair and it really needs that heat. But if your mannequin hair is synthetic, please never set the temperature higher than 170 degrees. You can see I take my time to hit every single turn of the curl. Then I kind of dive out from under the first wrap and keep curling the strand all the way down. The ends I curl them super lightly, just sliding the iron down at a soft angle. Now the second method is the classic one. You hold the base of the curling iron on top and carefully wrap the strand all around. It's easier, but the curl diameter will match exactly the size of the iron. If you're working with very long hair, this way can be a bit tricky, especially if you're just starting out. When it's time to brush out the curls, I use a light spray wax and a comb. Okay, let's move to the left side now. I take a fairly big section, I separate it in a triangle shape and curl it upward and away from the face. I make the first turn and heat it really well, because that's where the thickest part of the hair is. Then I slowly glide out from under the first wrap and keep curling the rest of the strand. Make sure you don't over curl the ends, I just give them a quick slide through for a soft finish. Then I spray a bit of wax and grab my comb. Sometimes a wide tooth comb is enough to get a nice clean pattern, but my mannequin's hair is super dense, so I go over it again with a fine tooth comb for that extra polish. And that's it. Look at this gorgeous soft wave framing the face. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and check out my other lessons for more tips on curls, waves and modern hairstyling techniques. See you in the next video.